Hi guys, it's Simon Wood here. Along with Imran and Giri, we've got over 32 years experience online. We're currently in a platinum group on ClickBank and we're one of the biggest affiliates on JVZoo. I'm really excited to announce that we're launching ConversionBot, the future of automated website conversions. You'll be able to find the official launch date below this video. So what's this all about? Well, over the last 13 months, we've been developing a cutting-edge chatbot app. ConversionBot's a powerful conversion tool for any business with a website. Its AI technology is designed to automatically increase sales, leads and profit. It's also a highly innovative way to build an email list. We've used ConversionBot to add 6,386 sales to our ClickBank accounts in only 6 months. In some of our split tests, we've practically doubled our conversion rate in just 6 hours. And we've also been able to use it to build an email list of 11,643 subscribers in just 7 days. And it's not just us. Some of the biggest affiliates and vendors on JVZoo and ClickBank have helped us beta test. People like Rich Williams, who increased his sales by 177% in just 2 days. Or Chris X, who built a new email list of 1,981 buyers in only 4 days. ConversionBot works with affiliate review sites, list building pages, WordPress blogs, sales letters, e-commerce websites, local business sites, webinar registration pages, consultancy websites, freelance websites and almost any website you can think of. And all without having to spend thousands of dollars on programmers or live chat agents, without any special skills or experience. It's also a powerful tool for social marketers to take the conversation outside of social media, and for video marketers seeking innovative ways to build their subscriber list. It's also newbie friendly. We have custom templates which newbies can use to create high converting chatbots in seconds. We also have a very simple chatbot builder to build custom bots. Look, ConversionBot's designed for marketers at all levels of experience. It's fully integrated with email autoresponder services like Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane and GetResponse. We also have advanced integrations with Zapier, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, WordPress and many more. We've got a deep funnel with 4 high quality upsells. To find out more about our killer funnel, please look below this video. ConversionBot's absolutely packed with value. It's our flagship product and we have huge long-term goals. We'll continue to develop new features and new integrations for years. We'll also provide dedicated support for our customers over the long term. You don't want to miss out on this launch. This is a super exciting product which works incredibly well. We literally have thousands and thousands of sales and leads from beta testing to prove it. You can find the official launch date and information on our contest below this video. And if you have any questions, then please reach out to us. Thank you for taking time to watch this. I'm looking forward to seeing you make massive commissions.